What's up everyone, it's Kelly and today I've got another Swatch review for you. Today we're actually going to be unboxing the Holo Taco mini advent calendar and swatching all of the polishes in it. Now before we get into it, if you haven't heard of Holo Taco before, they are a nail polish brand created by YouTuber Cristine of Simply Nailogical, and all of their polishes are 10 free, meaning they are free of 10 of the potentially harmful ingredients that can be found in nail polish. They're vegan, meaning they do not use any animal derived ingredients, and they're also cruelty free, meaning they do not test their products on animals. So they just released this mini advent calendar and I actually have not seen what's inside it today. I'm going to go over all of the details with you and we're gonna find out together. Now keep in mind this video is going to have spoilers for all 12 days. First I'm going to give you mild spoilers, just like an idea of what's in the box without actually showing it to you, and then I'll give you a little timestamp if you want to skip over the actual swatches and stuff, and then you can see a little bit more about pricing and availability. But yeah, like I said, I'm going into this blind. I actually have not seen the products in here. I know like the basics just for the sake of making this video, but I figured it would be fun to go all in, and then I'll just insert swatch footage over me discussing it, and then if I have anything else to add, I'll just throw that in there too. So yeah, let's just get into the mild spoilers portion of the video. Like I said, this is a 12-day mini advent calendar, so we actually have 8 nail polishes in here. They're all exclusive shades that are only available in this box. They all come in mini 7ml bottles, and they do actually have a wide flat brush with a rounded tip, which I've actually never seen in a mini, so I'm very excited about that. And then we also have 4 non-nail polish items that are nail related. So just a mild spoiler on that, we have a hand cream, a nail art file, a sticker set, and a cleanup brush. But yeah, if you do want to skip the actual polish spoilers, I'm gonna put a little timestamp here. You can check that out and just skip forward. But otherwise, let's get into the full spoilers and unbox this baby together. Okay, so let's open this up. Kind of hard to do floating in the air, but it is a box. And then, oh, here's number 6 on the lid. So this is what the inside looks like. We've got all of the days here. We've got this beautiful package design. You can see that these are the 8 nail polishes, and then these are the non-nail polish items. So day 1 is actually a non-nail polish item. These little boxes, by the way, are very beautiful. Okay, day 1 is a nail file. So we've got the little Holo Taco logo on it. It's very sparkly and holographic, and it is a double-sided glass nail file, and I love glass nail files, so this is an amazing start. Next up we have day number 2, which is a polish, and this one's got a cute, they all have like cute little houses on them. I love that. I actually don't know if these are named or not. First, oh my gosh, first look at the little mini bottle. This is adorable. This is the 7ml bottle. It does have the Holo Taco logo on it. It has the soft touch cap that has the little Holo Taco logo on it as well. And then they do have names. Okay, so this one is called Silent Night, and it looks like a really beautiful navy blue. I wonder if it's a jelly formula. Let me pop it open. Okay, yes, this does appear to be a jelly formula, so maybe more of a cobalt color. I might jump in with a voiceover and say my thoughts on it if it ends up being a little bit different, but this is a really beautiful wintry color. I love shades like this, and I think that this type of formula really lends itself well to this type of color because you can kind of add on layers for a deeper, more intense saturation. So if you want it to look a little bit bluer, I think it can be less coats. If you want it to look almost black, you can do more coats. Next up, we have day number 3, another nail polish. See what's in here. I feel like I love advent calendars because it feels like you're giving yourself presents. This one is a topper. So this one's called the Gold Scattered Holo Taco, which is exactly what it sounds like. It is their scattered Holo Taco, but in a gold form. So it's this beautiful holographic glitter. It does have that beautiful warm color instead of the usual classic silver. I feel like this is going to pair perfectly over that deep blue. So that's really nice. Also a very good color for going into like New Year's. I think this is my favorite little house color because we've got this cute teal house. Day 4 is of course another nail polish, and we've got, ooh, this is Call Me Vixen. Wow, this is a really stunning polish. Honestly, a little bit hard to describe. I almost want to call it like a shimmer graphic vibe that we see from Cirque, because we have this beautiful intense shimmer in there, but then we also have a hollow sparkle. So we've got this deep reddish color. We've got an intense red shimmer that might be teeny tiny flakies, and then we also have a scattered hollow sparkle running throughout. Absolutely gorgeous. I feel like at certain angles I'm seeing a little bit of gold as well, so there's probably a little bit of an iridescent duochrominess to that red, but I think this is a really gorgeous color. Definitely going to be perfect for the holidays, and I love how it's like that deep, vampy sort of red shade. I hope I'm describing these well, because usually I have the chance to swatch them before I describe them. Okay, day number 5. We've got another nail polish, of course. And this one is, ooh, this one's very different. This is like their frosted metal formula. It's called In a Flurry. And we have this beautiful, very light, icy blue frosted metal color. I do see a little bit of a hollow sparkle in here as well. Super gorgeous color. Definitely feels very wintry. Feels like a snowy winter day. I love how saturated this color is. Sometimes with shades like this, I feel like they're just a little bit too silvery, but I think that this one has the perfect amount of blue. But yeah, this is a really gorgeous holiday shade as well. And then I also think this is going to go really nicely into like the January, February months, because I always like wearing like wintry blue kind of shades that time of year too. Day number 6 is actually on the back of the little lid of this advent calendar, so I'm assuming it's the stickers. So we've got a little pouch here, and if I open it up, we've got, ooh, a set of really beautiful, oh, and there's multiple sheets in here. It looks like there's 3 sheets of these really beautiful silver star stickers. So we've got a few different shapes and sizes here. They all have that beautiful little sparkle going on to them. Not holographic, but very reflective, very beautiful. I actually love stickers. I feel like they're very underrated. And by the way, the details on this are absolutely stunning. Like you can actually see a little like holographic sheen on this envelope, which is really beautiful. I love that. This is like a nice little detail. Then we've got day number 7, another non-nail polish item, which is a long one. And this is a brush of sorts. So we've got this silver chrome brush. I open it up and it is a really nice thin cleanup brush. I love a very small cleanup brush. I think those are super convenient. It does have a little Holo Taco logo on it. Very nice. I love that it has a lid so that the bristles don't get all messed up if you just leave it out and about. So another really nice one. Next up, we have the last non-nail polish item. This is day 8, which is an interesting sized product. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay, this is Holo Taco hand cream and it's peppermint scented. Let me give it a sniff. Oh, this is cute. The lid has the little Holo Taco logo on it as well. We've got little holographic bands and we've got the green, which I think is a nice little touch. Okay, we have a really nice mild sort of smell here. Definitely not super intense, so just a little bit like fresh and wintry smelling. I really like that. I don't know if it's just because I'm smelling the mint, but it feels cold on my hands. I'm assuming it's the same as their usual hand cream, which I do really enjoy, so that's very, very good. All right, and then the final row, days 9 through 12, we have all nail polishes. So let's go in with number 9. This one, wow, this one's so delicate and pretty. This is Pirouette Pink. So again, we have this really beautiful sort of shimmery holographic formula. It's this cooler pastel pink base, and then we have what looks like an iridescent shimmer that mainly looks like a coppery orange color, but around the edges I can see a little bit of gold into green. And then we also have a scattered hollow fleck, so not quite like a sparkle, it's a little bit bigger and more randomized, which I really enjoy. I think that's super pretty. It definitely feels like another one of those like late winter kind of shades, so I think that's really cool. I like that they kind of considered outside of the holidays as well, and it's also just a very beautiful neutral type of shade. Then we've got day number 10. This one is, ooh, this is a topper. It's a multi-chrome topper and it's called Wreath Havoc Taco. So we've got this multi-chrome topper that shifts from purple to green and then also basically every color in between. So we've got a lot of like a bluish tone in there into like a teal color, into the green, into a little bit of even yellow around the edges, and it looks like we have a nice fine flaky in there, so it's going to be very soft and probably buildable with other toppers as well, which is something that I really love with Holo Taco, like the kind of buildability of their toppers. So I think that's really cool. This is actually one of my favorite multi-chrome kind of colors, so very good choice. Day 11, this one is, ooh, wait, is this? No, sorry, I thought this was like a silver hollow, but it's not just a silver hollow. There's like something else going on in here. This is called Ice Angel, and it looks to be a linear holographic polish, but it also, I don't know what even color this is. I don't know how to describe this. Maybe editing Kelly will have to jump in, but it almost looks like almost white green kind of color, or maybe like a soft gray. It looks very beautiful. I might have to see what it looks like with some indirect lighting, but it's very gorgeous. It definitely has a delicate feel to the color, like something very soft and understated, but I definitely love a holographic polish. polish. So I'm super excited to see this one with regular lighting as well. And then we have the final polish, day number 12 of the 12-day advent calendar. And the final day, ooh, it's a topper. We've got Diamond Dasher Taco. So this one is a super intense holographic silver topper. I see a ton of different shapes in here. We've got diamonds, we've got a bunch of different sizes of hex glitters, and it really just looks like a party. This is gonna be so perfect for layering over pretty much any color, but I feel like especially over dark colors, this will be nice. And immediately I'm thinking that these little diamond glitters you could do in like a little star / snowflake shape and make really cool nail art with. It is a small bottle, so I feel like you'd be, you know, using some up for it, but I feel like that would be so worth it for a holiday manicure. That would be so stunning. So yeah, really nice end to the season. I love how many toppers they put in here. All right, so I'm going to insert a little screenshot here of all the polishes after I've swatched them. And I have to say, first impressions, I'm really impressed. I love what they put into it. I love the colors that they chose. And like I said, I especially love that they went in on the toppers. That's just one of the main things that I have always loved the most from Holo Taco. I think they just do really fun toppers. I love the versatility of them. I love using toppers in general, and I love that they were able to just kind of play around with funky stuff. But I also am curious to see what I have to say after I'm done swatching, so here's an opportunity for Editing Kelly to give her voiceover and share any extra thoughts. Hello, Editing Kelly here, and I just want to say I really enjoyed the polishes now having swatched them. I think they're all really beautiful. My only teeny tiny gripe is that the first polish, Silent Night, is a 3-coat Crelli formula, and it is a small bottle, so I don't think it's gonna last me that long. That being said, I'm fine with it because there are some very similar polishes from Holo Taco that I can grab once I run out of it, but a part of me kind of wishes that there was just another fun specialty finish that I could get in there instead. Although I do also appreciate having a Crelli because then it's something I can match with the toppers. So overall, I really enjoyed it. Just like a little back and forth in my own head about the Crelli polish, but other than that, I thought it was amazing. But anyway, back to spoiler-free content. I have to say I did really enjoy this box. I think everything in it was really nicely curated. I think all of the products look great. And like I said, these are exclusive to the box, which is something I do appreciate when it comes to brands that I use pretty frequently, because I love to get a box full of stuff that I've never tried before rather than stuff that I probably already have. So I thought that was a really good choice of them. But yeah, it seems like a great collector's item. It's definitely high quality and I'd give it a thumbs up. Now, as far as pricing and availability goes, I am actually filming this before it comes out. The box that comes with the 12 items in it retails for $119 USD on the Holo Taco website, and it is limited edition, and we do have, like I said a few times, polishes featured in here that we are not going to see again. So I'm going to link the Holo Taco website down in the description. You can check it out if you're interested, but I'm so curious to hear what you think of this box. I'm so curious to try the polishes, even though by the time you see this video, I will have tried them, so hopefully I love them. But yeah, let me know, are you planning on picking it up? Have you ordered it already? Leave it all in the comments, we can chat about it. If you enjoy my swatch and review videos or these unboxing type of videos, leave a thumbs up. It really helps me out. It lets me know I'm doing a good job. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe. I love you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. I didn't know that there was something related in the box when I came up with this would you rather question, so I'm gonna just take this with a grain of salt, okay? The question is, would you rather smell like peppermint or gingerbread? And my answer, it was gonna be gingerbread because I love the smell of gingerbread and I'm not really a mint person, but I am wearing the peppermint lotion right now. And I have to say, it's a very mild scent. I'm not really smelling too much going on with it. It just feels nice and moisturizing. But in general, I feel like I just like to smell like sweet things. Like I like a cookie or bakery kind of scent. So that's why I would pick gingerbread. I feel like it's just a very cozy sort of scent, whereas peppermint is a little bit like sharp and energetic kind of vibes. Although I guess mint is also usually a little bit of like a soothing vibe, or is that a different type? It might be spearmint, or is that a different? I have no idea. But anyway, let me know. Would you rather smell like peppermint or gingerbread in the comments? And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!